I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to fix provide the JDK JRE location while launching the installer. So if I go on this ODI Oracle Data Integrator, so this here file disk 1, there I'm going to click on this ODI setup file. This error message provide the JDK JRE location while launching the installer. Or if I go on this install and here Windows 6, here you can see this setup file. So if I go on this command prompt, here write Java. So this already installed there and Java C also working there. The version, let's check there, Java minus minus version. Then you can see this 23 version that in my system. So if I go on this, so let's go on this C drive and here program files, then Java and here JDK. So this is the home directory of Java. So now I'm going to use their edit system environment variable. Edit system environment variable. Now here let's add there or new setting the Java home. Java underscore home. Now paste this location and here path. This already there. So if not there, then I can set the path. So let's click on this new. And for path, we need to keep this bin directory. Bin directory, inside bin directory, you can see this all. Let's copy. And now click on this new, paste or bin. Then here, this is the JDK location, this location that's copy there. And now again let's go there on this download section and there let's click on this disk and here set a file, or if I go on this install Windows and let's click on this setup and now click on yes. So please specify JDK location, pasting this JDK 23. So when I press enter, so Oracle Universal, this gone without showing anything. So this gone setup file that's not opening there. So what we need to do, so here I'm going to uninstall this JDK latest version. So let's open the control panel, uninstalling this. Let's give the Java 23. So this uninstalled successfully. Now installing the older version of the Java. Now thereafter, let's go on the software. So I have JDK 8, that's older version. Let's quickly install this. Click on yes. And now click next. Here, next. So let's click on next. 3 billion devices run Java development platform. So this is now currently installing. Now let's go on this edit system environment variable tab. And here environment variable. So this path Java home, that's JDK 23 is not there, so deleted. And let's go on this path here, edit this path there is no any Java. So this also I'm going to delete. Now the next is here, this turn here. Let's click on this close. So let's see the path of Java, this Java. Here you can get JDK and JRE. Let's go on this JDK. So this is the home directory of Java. So this is going to set there. Let's write edit system environment variable. Now environment variable new. Then write there Java underscore home. Paste this location. And the next is here. This is bin directory. This is for path. Here you can get this Java exe file. This all Java C everything. So let's go there and go on this path, edit, new, and give the location. Then after OK, OK, OK. So this is the home directory of the Java. Copying this location. And now what you need to do? So let's go on this, not in the software. And here this is the downloads. Let's open this ODI once again, disk 1. Here this I'm not going to open. Clicking on this Windows 64. This location, this is the home directory of Java location. You can see. Now press enter. So when you press enter, wait for a few seconds. So wait for now Oracle Data Integrator 11G, that's come here. After that you can install this Oracle Data Integrator. So this is how we can fix this issue or provide JDK JRE location while launching the installer. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.